Shweta, you have been reporting from ground since morning, and we are breaking this piece of information to our viewers right now that there was a black bag that was found near the Paharganj flyover, and now, of course, the bomb squad has been rushed to the spot. Take us to the details on that.
Right, Samia, as the security is now intensifying in the National Capital Region, we now are given to understand there's been a discovery of another suspicious item near Paharganj area, and the authorities are now, flying in the bomb squad to understand whether it is an explosive device or it's just an unattended bag at the moment. That's all the information we have. But as I mentioned earlier, since last evening, there have been multiple investigations being carried out here at the Red Fort. We are very close to the site of that car blast, which has now been cordoned off. I'll show my viewers quickly behind me. That's the site there. On my left, which has now been completely cordoned off. The authorities, of course, trying to investigate what essentially transpired here. There's a white tent around the area where what appeared to be earlier today were human parts, bodies scattered, vehicles scattered, parts of various other items and objects scattered as a result of that massive blast that took place here at 6:50 in the evening yesterday. And since then, authorities have been on high alert around the National Capital Region in various parts of Delhi NCR as well as throughout the country. As a part of that, we are given to understand various hotels are being raided in Paharganj area, in parts of East Delhi, in parts of Kashmiri Gate. And while those raids were being conducted by multiple Delhi police team, a suspicious item has now been discovered, and we are trying to ascertain, what exactly that item could be. And bomb squad has also been rushed to the spot. So more details, of course, awaited. But we are here at the heart of where that massive bomb blast took place. More details of which are now emerging. They were sketchy this morning, but I think we do have more concrete details now as to who was responsible. And Faridabad link is coming out all the more clear. The terror module operating in Faridabad could now be perhaps responsible for the attack that took 9 lives here in Delhi.
Absolutely, Shweta. Thank you for getting us all those details, and we shall keep coming back to you to get more on the story.